Hi everyone. Right now we'll give you a video, a short one to introduce the CMS setup for this 75-inch stretched bar kiosk. Resolution is very important in this setting. For this 75-inch, the resolution is 3840 plus 1440. So remember this figure, which is very important.
Let's see how to compose a program for our 75-inch stretched bar kiosk. So this is the composer page. On the left dark column, it's the name for this program. We click New and name it 123. OK. So when you click the left 123 name, the right page, the right column is the list of programs that you are going to publish. Click New to add new program 01. And for resolution, we need to choose 4K resolution, vertical type, because our screen is 3840 plus 1440. So we'll choose 4K vertical and click OK. Now we are going to edit the first program. Click Layout. And then we choose Video. Move your mouse on the left and you'll see the cross. So for the height, it's better to drag it to maximum. And for the width, it's better use your keyboard to put in the right one. Click OK to finish. And make sure it's on the very left. So the pattern is set. You click Save. And then go to the left side. Here's Layout, and then we choose Content to add materials. So click this area. Now upload. Browse. We prepared two types of files. One is MP4, one is JPEG. And the format is exactly same as our screen resolution, that is 1440 plus 3840. We add an MP4 here, open, and let's browse again. JPEG, and we choose one, open it. After that, click Upload. So the waiting speed, the waiting time depends on your cyber speed as well as your internet. It's good. Okay. Then we close this window. Right now, you only see one file here that we added two. That is because in this pattern, the type is video, so only a video can be shown up here. Click it, then add it on the right side. And let's close this window. Preview. Well, you see this video is exactly what we added. And this is the space for our stretched bar kiosk. Now, let's close this window. And we add another program, 02, semi-resolution, OK, and go to Layout. This time an image. Click Image, a cross is coming out, then drag the height to the right dimension, and for the width, use keyboards, click OK. Drag this pattern to the very left and then click Save. After that, choose Content and click this area to add content. This is a picture we just added If you want to add more, you can choose upload, browse, and then okay, let's add this one and this one. Open it, upload, wait till it's ready. Okay, then close it. So we choose the wanted materials on the left and click add to the right side. For example, you only want the 2 files and then click add. Only these 2 materials will be shown later. Close this window and preview. Yeah, it's a material we just added, and this is the right resolution for our kiosk. Close it, close this window. Okay, now, so you see that on the left side, 123 file is in red color. It's because you need to click audit to make it ready for publish. Okay, now it turns red. So that is the way to compose a program. And then let's see player. You'll find that there is no terminal online. It is because we'll need to choose the same under the same network. It must be under the same network. And right now, it's under the same network. And let's check. But still, there's no terminal existing in our server. It is because this server and this kiosk must be with the same IP address. Let's see our IP address. Click configuration, properties, and we see that the IP address is 118. That means we will need to change the terminal IP to 118. Now let me show you how to change the IP address of this kiosk. You need 2 tools. One is keyboard, one is a mouse, and then so when the mouse shows up on the screen, on the 4 corners, either of the 4 corners, move the mouse over the corner and do 8 times click. Left click 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then it comes to menu. So right now we'll choose network. And then you see that this IP is 110. We need to change it to 118, and when it's ready, let's click OK, and then start player. So here, let's refresh. So we have found this terminal, and then choose this terminal, and then compare. One, two, three. Loop 1, 2, 3, and then bind. Okay. So you will see soon that the program will be on there. You got a program. It takes some time because the
video is a bit large.